the election in accordance with the provisions of the PTI Constitution 2019, but have held the election in a clandestine and secret manner. No member was afforded an opportunity to contest the election, that neither any nomination forms were issued, nor available with any office of PTI, that no notice in respect thereto holding of intra-party election was ever published in any daily newspapers or displayed on notice board of the main secretariat office of PTI. All the petitioners have common prayers that the PTI has not conducted its intra-party election, and the documents submitted before the commission are not based on reality, however made by some interested persons to avoid consequences of Section 215 of Election Act 2017, and to get election symbol, that the directions rendered by this commission by order dated 23rd November 2023 is not complied with in letter and spirit. Therefore, the alleged intra-party election be declared null and void, and PTI be directed to hold intra-party elections strictly in accordance with PTI Constitution.
Now, can you take us to the different provisions which are mentioned here in the Constitution of the political party? The opportunity to contest elections, nomination forms if they are mentioned, notices, the manner of issuance thereof, if it's mentioned in the Constitution of the party.
The Constitution of the party. My Lord, the Constitution of the party is at page 124. And these provisions which are relevant are also mentioned in the order of the Election Commission.
So we want to see the actual Constitution of the party.
My Lord, the Constitution of the party is at page 124.
No, but these provisions particularly that have been mentioned by the Commission in its order.
If your Lordship may graciously see page 136. Sorry, if your Lordship may go back one more page. Page 135, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf shall have the following organizations. Then the organizational structure is mentioned, and if your Lordship may graciously be pleased to take a look at paragraph 9 on page 136.
Paragraph
9 on page 136.
136.
Yes, my Lord. A PTI Federal Election Commission shall be formed to conduct intra-party elections with a permanent secretariat. Excellent. Then there are general provisions.
बड़ा अच्छा आइन बनाए सब चीजें इसमें तस्कर हैं
जी सर. Then there is a principle of collective
आपको इनके आइन से कोई
no sir
मसला नहीं है.
The Election Commission's objection is that the elections have not taken place in accordance with this constitution.
अच्छा.
उनका परमानेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट किधर है जी ऑफिस?
My Lord,
पार्टी का मेन परमानेंट
My Lord, the Election Commission is dealt with.
No, ऑफिस का जो परमानेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट
इनका कोई परमानेंट सेक्रेटेरिएट है
ऑफिस
या नहीं है?
Not that पार्टी का तो है सर.
वो किस जगह है? कुछ है कोई कहीं तस्करा है उसका? इस्लामाबाद किस जगह तस्करा है इसका? ठीक है, जरा बता देना किस पेज पे कहीं लिखा है ये हमारा.
It's not specified in the constitution.
वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बायलॉज में मुख्तलिफ होता है ना कि परमानेंट जो ऑफिस है पार्टी का,
इनके जो वो हैं खतूत या इनकी नोटिफिकेशंस उस पे लिखा है प्लॉट नंबर 1A स्ट्रीट 32 सेक्टर G84 इस्लामाबाद. यही है
हेड ऑफिस जो है मतलब.
ठीक. अच्छा, तो ये जरा बताएं कि प्रोसीजर क्या होता है इलेक्शन का. वो तो आपने बता दिया था कि वो इलेक्शन कौन कंडक्ट करेगा. अगर कैसे अगर कोई शख्स लड़ना चाहे, मेंबर, सिर्फ मेंबर लड़ सकते हैं इलेक्शन या कोई भी लड़ सकता है?
मेंबर्स
पीटीआई के अपने.
Yes sir. If your Lordship takes a look at page 140, paragraph 5, internal party elections.
जी हाँ, ये बताइए.
पार्टी इलेक्शन शैल बी हेल्ड.
ये तो वो तरीकेकार आपने बताया था.
जी सर. इलेक्शंस चेयरमैन का किस तरह होगा ये सारा मेंशन है, एंड देन द इलेक्शंस ऑफ अदर ऑफिस.
अगर आपने कहा 5 साल, इधर तो उन्होंने लिखा है कि चेयरमैन के इलेक्शन हर 2 साल में होंगे. शिक नंबर 5 1-3 और शिक नंबर 5-2-1 कहती है कि बाकी ओहदेदार हर 3 साल में होंगे इलेक्शन. आप क्यों कह रहे थे कि हर 5 साल में होना चाहिए?
Under Section 208 of the Election Act, the proviso
208
subsection 1 of Section 208.
एक सेकंड
My lord.
Can you read it?
Yes, my lord. Subsection 1, then your lordship will see the proviso, provided that a period not exceeding 5 years shall intervene between any two elections.
ये तो outer limit
ये outer limit है.
तो inner limit तो इन्होंने खुद तय की हुई है कि 2 साल के चेयरमैन के होंगे, 3 साल के होंगे, बाकी और दो.
जी सर,
यही पोजीशन है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल यही है
जी.
If your lordship will see page 141
जी
5.1.3, election of the chairman shall be held 2 years before each scheduled general election in the country. 5.1.4, in case the chairman position falling vacant due to any reason, the SG, which is the Secretary General, shall take additional charge of the office in the interim, and election for the chairman's office shall be held within 30 days of the position falling vacant.
SG क्या है?
Secretary General.
वो कौन है?
Secretary General, my lord.
नहीं, इनके कौन कोई हैं मुंतखब?
इस वक्त that's a grey area, but they claim it is Mr. Umar Ayub. The Election Commission maintains that the previous Secretary General, as per their record, Mr. Asad Umar, continues to be the Secretary General on their record.
Would you like to read the notification?
अच्छा. असद उमर साहब ने इनकी पार्टी छोड़ दी है?
Nothing on record.
There's nothing on record. Press में उनके statement जरूर हैं. How did Mr. Umar Ayub was appointed? If your lordship may see page 464. Paper books आपके पास है. Page 464.
Volume 2.
Volume 2, my lord. Page 464. This is not Umar Ayub. This is the Chief Election Commissioner. यार क्या करते हैं? So 460.
उमर जी 464 पार्ट 2 है.
Part 2. This is how the Federal Election Commission was appointed.
ये तो नोटिफिकेशन है 28 नवंबर का.
जी सर, उमर अयूब खान साहब का नोटिफिकेशन है.
पढ़िए.
Following the resignation of Barrister Gohar Khan on November 27, 2023, it is notified that Mr. Niazullah Khan Niazi is hereby appointed as CEC Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf with immediate effect.
ये तो उमर अयूब खान इशू कर रहे हैं.
उमर अयूब खान कर. उमर अयूब खान साहब किस तरह अपॉइंट हुए? There is nothing on the record of the Election Commission of Pakistan.
नहीं तो ये गौहर खान साहब किस ओहदे से मुस्तफी हो रहे हैं?
Sir, from the post of the Chief Election Commissioner.
अच्छा. Okay.
But again, there's nothing on the record of the Election Commission communicating that, because in law, if your lordship will see,
इनका कोई इस्तीफा है या इनको निकाला गया है असद उमर साहब को?
not on the record of the Election Commission.
अच्छा, आप बता रहे थे तरीकेकार.
जी सर, if your lordship will see page 5.1.3, which talks about the Election Commission, the election of the chairman.
हो गया, तरीकेकार बताइए.
जी सर. Then election of other office bearers. The elections for following offices shall be held every 3 years.
देख लिया, तरीकेकार बताइए.
Sir, 5.2.2, elections shall be held by direct secret ballot of the eligible party members cast to the panel of candidates as specified for each organization, including wings as given in the relevant clauses.
ये बताइए ना relevant clauses.
Any losing panel shall get 2 seats. Any in the relevant executive committee, provided it had secured more than 35% of the total poll votes. Any losing panel shall get.
PTI के पास